for today. So first thing that you'll notice is we are at an area of resistance right over here. This is something which, I think we're probably going to fly through this level by the looks of things. There is no stopping us right now. And if we come down to the 3 hour, you'll see we did have a bit of indecision yesterday, but the trend is still up. This moving average is pointing straight up. There's no reason to be looking for anything other than longs at the moment. If you look at the hour, we don't really have much structure to look at the moment. We are at this major level. So this 12919, I'd like to see a bounce through it and then a pullback and come and test it. So that's the first area. Alternatively, what we are looking for is an area of support. And to be quite honest, I can't see one that would actually make me want to jump in. So 12625 is an area. I'm going to go down to 15 minutes here. Guys, this is probably going to be the norm for today. So, right, so this area here, 12638, is an area that would interest me for getting in on longs. The other area would be this one here, but you can see how we blasted through that one. Okay. The other area is 12777. So I'd like to see some kind of a pullback into this area before moving to the upside again. And I think, your upside targets are going to be, there's one right there. And then we have a major one just below the gap. So the two upside targets I'm looking at is 13072 and 13334. However, just looking at this chart, I think the US markets offer a little bit better structure than what the DAX does at the moment. You see how we were all over the place yesterday. Let me just put on, I just want to put on my period separators here so we can just see what had happened. Okay, so you can see sort of moved down, then up, then down, then up. So pretty much a big zigzag motion, but we are up for the day anyway. Similar to the day before. So let's assume that we have the same kind of structure today. We have a move up, pull back onto structure, and that's going to be the trade. So in other words, I don't want to take the trade the first part of the day. I'm looking for this, basically the US Open is what happened. We had the morning it was rally, then we came down, and then US Open drove us up again. Guys, I think for me, the DAX doesn't offer any opportunities. I don't like what I'm seeing on the lower time frame. The trend is up, there's no doubt about that, but this big up, big down, big up, big down is big confusion for me. I prefer seeing this kind of trending. So the US market offers a little bit more structure for me, so those are the ones I'll be trading. I won't be trading a DAX today. If you are insisting on trading a DAX, then use a 15 minute, wait for the pullback onto structure, and you can put your levels in. You can see I've got this one drawn in, but there's another one just above it right there. You can see what I'm doing, looking for my inside tails here, my fractals, putting my levels in on that, and those are the areas I want to watch. So 12858, 12838, worst case scenario is going to be all the way down here, 12777. Those are the areas I'm looking for some bullish price action, which would be pin bars like this, inside bars or engulfing bars like this. There's an inside bar there, there's another inside bar there. So those are the price action structure that I'm looking for, and preferably off a level before getting in and trading this to the upside. And your upside targets are going to be 13072 and then at the extreme 13334. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me. I'm not trading a DAX. I'll be looking at the US market, but also there's a lot of currency pairs, as you can see in my chart here, that I'll be watching today as well, which are offering a lot of opportunity. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps. If you like what you hear, please drop us a like. Really appreciate it. Every like counts, and we're trying to grow this channel as quick as we can. Anyway, stay safe and keep those stocks tight. We'll catch you later. Cheers for now.